Alright guys, here's how to download YouTube videos without any third-party software. Open your browser and then type in address bar YouTube, and then you select any video you want, and then you see the E at the end of the YouTube. The E at the end of the YouTube, put 5S over there, 5S, and then you search for, and then to open a page where you can just download YouTube videos directly. You can also select the resolutions you want from 1080p, 720p and others. So something like this, and then you just get a link and then it is converting. So you just tap on download, and then our video has started downloading successfully. Alright guys, here's the best way you can download YouTube videos 2022. Please consider subscribing, like, share and leave a comment down below.